Good afternoon, YouTubers, and it's a nice sunny afternoon here, although I have to announce that I am a prize pillock. Now, as you know, or you should know anyway by looking at the work, this isn't a professional restoration. This is just some bloke having a go at it, hopefully to inspire you lot to have a go yourselves. But I'll change my idea about 4 times on this. First off, I was going to have a scene running on the inside, and I was going to have a scene running on the outside. Then I decided to just whack it in there as it was and put a fillet piece on the end. And then, after filling in the hole there and the hole there and making a new piece for there, I suddenly realised that I could have hit all these dents back flat again while all that metal was missing. Duh. So after having a bit of a brain moment, I'm now going to have to struggle to knock all them dents back in. I don't know why it's like that. Honestly, that's like a porcupine's ass, I would imagine, after all the quills have been pulled out with pliers. But there you go. So we kind of got 2 lots of repairs in now. I'm going to have a dig inside that filler there, find out what's going on, but I suppose really we're quite close to stripping all the paint off now. The wing roots are going to be done. Oh, and of course I've got this major dilemma now, because I'm doing it like a sort of poor man's Mexico. It needs Mexico arches, and they kind of come up to here and they flare out a lot, and I don't know what to do because I don't have panel beating skills to make some, not nice ones anyway. So what do I do? I did buy a couple of wings second hand in England, but when I got them home and got all the filler off of them, I found one had already been welded on from something else anyway, and it was shit. It was like paper thin. So that idea went tits up. So I suppose really, with all that excitement done for the day, I better get on the beer. I've just found out Minitron's gas tank has started leaking again because it's the ethanol in the petrol literally spat the silicone out from underneath the tap. Minitron's playing with a hole in my ass. I guess these shorts are knackered then. And we took this down the track yesterday afternoon for a spin, and it is goddamn unrideable. Suspension on it's all over the shop. So yeah, all the jobs are ramping up in front of me, and the only thing I can think to do about it is get on the beer. So later on the next one then. Cheerio now.